Miss Tixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is a channeled twin flame partnership reading. Angels, what is happening with your divine masculine? What is happening with the divine feminine? Your twin flame union, and how the big changes that are coming ahead are gonna affect you, and how the month ahead will be for your twin flame partnership. There is a lot happening in the twin flame connective, angels. So let us see how things are going for the twin flames and divine masculine and feminine and the collective union, and when you will reunite, or how your twin flame partnership will move ahead. Before we begin, angels, these are general readings. They may resonate with you or they may not. So take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest behind, angels. Also, these are timeless readings, so whenever you come across them, they will help you out or resonate in some way, angels. Also, thank you so much for liking and subscribing and joining us on Instagram and Facebook for many interactive free readings, etc. And for those who ordered the twin flame partnership readings with me, thank you so much. I have been sending the personal readings you have ordered with me over the last few days, and a few will be left. A few are left, and I will be sending them in a day or two, friends. So stay connected there on my email also, friends. So without further ado, let us see what is happening with the divine masculine in the so before we begin, angels, this is the divine masculine, this is the divine feminine, and this is how the future will be for the partnership ahead. Like after 1 month, how the collective energies for your twin flame partnership will be. And this is the special message for the from the romance angels currently for you, and how things will be in your twin flame partnership after a month or 2 months. So let us begin, friends. Let us see what's happening with the divine feminine in their um, 3D world or in their mind. What is going on with the divine masculine? Oh my God, the divine masculine is feeling at crossroads. They are completely the illusions, the veils of the 3D and the material world are breaking. If they are with a karmic partner, your divine masculine is definitely feeling the energy that you are sending and the karmics are sending, and there's a lot of confusion going on. I think the veils, the divine masculine is at crossroads. They want to come towards you, but something is holding them back. And yes, there's a lot of juggling going on in the divine masculine's mind. They are juggling work, they are juggling families. If they are with the karmic situations, a lot of tussle is going on between them. I feel their own spiritual and the material world is also going through a lot of tussle and tug of war between in their mind or in their heart also, angels. I feel that the divine masculine is definitely at crossroads currently, or whenever you come across this reading, friends. They are going through a time of decision, a time of choices, a time of choosing the spirit, the time of choosing the divine feminine, a time of choosing themselves, a time of choosing love. And yes, see, and they also want to move out from their internal fears, the mental blocks they had been through. They want to move out. And I feel that the veils have been broken. The veils for the divine masculine are slowly disintegrating. It's like things are disintegrating for the divine masculine, and the veils are very thin, and their mind has started to question them. Ask them why did they did things, why did they left you, or why did they didn't believe in the connection they had with you, or why they do not believe in spirit, etc., or why are they so attached to the material world. And yes, I also feel they are waiting for some sort of right timing for things to move ahead. I think in their material world or career also, they are waiting for rewards or money to come for them. Some of the divine masculines are also struggling with their job or career, or they are at a crossroads. I feel that some of them might be relocating. If they are far from you, they want to come near you. whether it is emotionally, mentally, or spiritually. Your divine masculine is really waiting, they are assessing in their mind. This process has started at the moment of how the past went, how the twin flame connection developed. I feel that now they are coming to the understanding that what they had with you is much more deeper than what they had thought. I feel earlier they might have doubted this connection, but now the illusions are really breaking down for the divine masculine, and they're waiting for some sort of reward, some sort of timing. Perhaps they are waiting for some signs from you that, do you still think about them or something like that. So let us see what is happening with the divine masculine in their heart energy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Big energies. The divine masculines are really, really triggered at the moment, friends. This big boost of energy, the full moon in Libra. Then there's the equinox coming, and then Uranus just shifted into Taurus. And then the another, we had a series of full moons and eclipses. And in April also things will be going ahead. Full galactic openings are happening, friends. So, but these are general channel messages. They will apply on you whenever you come across them, friends. So don't worry about it. But currently this energy, the divine masculine's heart is really burning. They are burning with anger. They are burning with emotional loss. They are purging. I feel they might be, really in this illusion. They had been in this illusion, then they can live without you. But suddenly, all those things have been breaking down for them. They feel a lot of emotions. They might be feeling guilty. They might be feeling ashamed of themselves. In their heart, they are hurt. In their heart, the anger, the emotion of losing their twin flame, their divine feminine, or losing or not able, the shame of not taking action when it was necessary, not showing courage when it was necessary. Even for themselves, I feel they might be very, very hard on themselves because, they had a time when the choice was there for the divine masculine, to choose love. And I feel they didn't choose it. They choose the material world, and that is why they are very upset and angry on themselves. There may be a lot of anger, passion, codependent partnerships, and also codependent extreme tendencies might be coming. They might be feeling either more sad. The divine masculine might be feeling more sad, more upset, more aggressive, more passionate. They might be overeating. They might be over drinking, friends. So please watch out if you are a divine masculine. So what else is happening in their heart? Yes, I feel that they really are caught between a mountain and a valley. In their heart, they feel this strong connection with you, and they have this strong connection with everything else in the world, with their own fears, with their own mental blocks and the karmics. And it's like it's not easy. They don't know which way to go at the moment, and in their heart they are really, a lot is happening in their heart, and it's like a lot of bad emotions, a lot of strong emotions are coming out. You might be feeling a lot of sexy, passionate energy coming from your divine masculine. You might also be feeling a lot of dreams, messages, signs they are sending. They may also be drinking a lot. They might be working a lot if they are into they might be burning the midnight oil. They might be working too much. They might be overeating. Excessive emotions, excessive extremist emotions are happening with them, and they really need, and it's not that something they are doing out of they are not doing this voluntarily. That is what the angels are saying. This is something that is coming out within them. It's just like a volcano has bursted within them. Suddenly, some sort of triggers or ignitions are being ignited by the energy of the twin flame collective, that the masculine energy is having this intense emotions, and they don't know what to do with it. And they themselves are confused by it, because most of the divine masculines might be known for their restraint, they might be known for their patience, they might be known for taking no action, or rather delayed actions, but here they are in this aggressive emotional energy, and this is not fun for them, and they are trying to like just, okay, I release it. I don't know what to do with my emotions at the moment. So I take a break and relax. That's what they are trying to do. And what's happening spiritually with your divine masculine friends? Let's see. Alrighty. Yes, I feel spiritually they are opening to a new awakening within them. Their spiritual chakras and their light, the galactic light is opening them, and they are coming to a new sense of recognition with of your connection with them. Earlier, I feel they had been very closed, very shy of the spiritual connection, the spiritual pull that you have. They might have completely tried to deny this connection also in some way. They might have run away from it. But what is happening currently, the energy that's being triggered in them is like a volcano of emotions, and they can no longer stay in this energy of held back, where spiritually, emotionally, or mentally, it's like they are being opened, they are being channeled, and light is flowing into them. Awakenings are happening within their five dimension, within their higher selves. A lot is happening, yes, and I feel they are also trying to assess what has happened in the past in your twin flame connection and regarding you. They might be feeling a lot of what they did wasn't right in the past, their actions currently weren't right, and they are trying to assess it and forgive themselves for it, and try to understand a new what you say, a new sense of understanding is opening within them. And from this reserved energy they had earlier towards the spirit, towards their divine feminine, they are now moving into this energy where they are not afraid to show their love, where they are completely creative and in tune with their mind, with their heart, body and soul, and you divine feminine. That is what is happening with them. So let us see what is divine's feminines happening in their 3D world, in their mind. What is happening with the divine feminine? Let's see. Alrighty. I feel the divine feminines are at a very strong stage at the moment. They are in their power. They are, they have decided. I feel this energy that you had been, divine feminines had been in, like they are tired of this connection. They just, divine masculine doesn't support them, he doesn't come across them, he doesn't messages them, he or she, whatever it is. These are general readings. So the divine masculine was not supporting them. They were tired of this supporting this connection alone, so they shifted their energy and started the focus on themselves. And oh my god, divine feminines, you are riding on a super dragon of galactic love. I feel you have completely changed your perspective. If you haven't, you will be very soon. And if you are watching this reading, you divine feminine, this is the time to focus on yourself, focus on your journey, focus on how far you have come and how much you have achieved. I feel that this is a very creative and very materially rewarding time for you. You are very sure of what you want, how you want it, and this energy of defeated, being lost, being ghosted, being left out in the cold, that's over for you. You will no longer focus or remain in this energy, of loss. You are entering into this energy where you know what you want and you get it. Divine feminines, and yes, abundance is coming your way. Your career is going on a very high note, or will be so ahead. Also mentally you'll be very clear and focused on what you want. Your power will be more, your positivity will be more, some sort of rewards and riches will be coming. I feel you have really shifted your energies, divine feminine. So let us see what is happening. At least in mentally, in your 3D world, you have really gained, you have worked spiritually, and you have gained this this award or this clarity or this what you say sense of substance, you have gained it while they are, the divine masculine is right behind you and they're struggling, which way to go right now, while you have chosen the path and you are, moving ahead. And this is why this the divine masculine is forced to choose, one way or the other, because you have made a choice. You have stood in your light, and this is forcing the divine masculine to face the issues and be, your king or queen, just as you have chosen to become their king or queen and stand in that power and light of king or a queen. So let us see what is happening in the divine feminine's heart space, friends. Ooh, lots of cards for the divine feminine. Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, I feel that, yes, my God, even in the divine feminine, even in your heart space, you have really, really moved from this energy of lack, from this energy of aggression, this energy of anger. You have shifted it. You are not in this Five of Pentacles energy where you had an imbalanced partnership, imbalanced connection with your divine feminine. You were waiting for them. You were in a lack of position. You were waiting for them to come for messages, for everything. They left you out in the cold, or you left them out. But this energy has shifted for you in your heart. You are going through sorry, friends. You are going through a new opening in your heart space, and this is giving you a lot of power. You can feel a lot of substance, grounding energy. You know that things will work out for you somehow or the other. And I feel some sort of happy news or messages are coming your way, divine feminines. You can see you have the nine of cups, you have the 10 of cups. So you are definitely reaching a very, very powerful stage of completion, and happiness and success. Karmic rewards are coming for you, divine feminine. In your heart space, you are very, very connected to what is love and what is peace. You have finally learned and completed a karmic cycle, and the rewards are coming. Some of the divine feminines will also be receiving messages from their divine masculines. I'm not sure if those messages are positive or not, but some sort of messages are coming for some of the divine twin flames. They might be back in contact, and love will be flowing again, and they are back together, and love is flowing and love is being shared. Happiness and joy is coming for you and flowing within you right now. Excellent work, divine feminines. Excellent work. I really am proud of you. So let us see what's happening spiritually for the divine feminines. Oh my God. Absolutely. You have taken a lot of action, divine feminines. I cannot tell you how much and how hard you have worked. It's like if you had, if you were left out in the cold, if you were ghosted by your divine feminine, masculine, or if you did something like this to someone of or your twin flame. I feel you have really learned your lessons. You have done your work, and even if they left you, you have done your work. It's like you have taken all those, all your cups in one, and like you have pulled yourself together, and you have become this beautiful queen or king that you are. You are in this beautiful energy. It's amazing, friends. It's amazing how hard you have worked, and spiritually rewards are falling upon you. I feel that you are being showered with great rewards, great awakenings, and yes, and divine union with your twin flames. I feel some of the divine feminines have already, connected with their divine masculine in the 5D. They know this connection is there and this union will happen for them sooner or later. And for other twin flame couples, I feel that some of you are in contact and with your divine masculine, and the partnership has started to come back and flourish and blossom for you. For others who are not yet in touch with their divine masculine, things will open. You have really, you have really merged your the heart, the mind, the body, and the soul. You have achieved that trinity, and it's not just a trinity, it's a tetrahedron, so you have achieved this harmony within yourself and within uh, your divine twin flame journey also. You know the path, you are completely at peace. At least you're spiritually at peace with the way things are going. You understand how this journey is evolving and what lies ahead for you. Excellent work, divine feminines. Spirit really applauds you for this extra hard work you have done. So let us see how your partnership's collective energy is at the moment and what will be the message from the angels. Uh, okay, so still, yes, I feel this is mostly the energy of the divine masculine, and you, some of the divine feminines, will also be feeling this energy coming from their divine masculine. The divine masculines are worried. They are worried, they are not sleeping at night, they are worried that, oh my god, you have ascended or you are on that path and they are left behind. This is not a good feeling, friends. This is not. They are awake, they know they need to do something. They know that they need to shift this energy of being at crossroads and waiting for the external pulls or external things to shift. They know this has to happen within them and they are trying to avoid. I feel a lot of fears might be coming for the twin flames, and also some of you might be having issues with sleeping. You might have buzzing in your ears or ringing in your ears. Also, your third eye chakra might be working overtime, and you might feel anxious for no reason. There might be some pain on your heart also. I feel this is what you are feeling from your divine masculine side. This is not your energy, so try and stay balanced. Yes, and I feel some of the divine feminines are trying, and you are trying to work a lot. You are trying, like you are in this supernova kind of energy, and you are trying to work a lot. So balance that. So I feel the divine masculines are in this energy of anxiety, depressions, not depression, but like fear. What's gonna happen? Because you have really moved ahead. So that's what they are really worried about, like what's gonna happen. So that kind of energy is happening at the moment. And let's see what else is the energy that's affecting. Yeah, some sort of news and messages are coming, or they have already begun for some of the twin flames. More will be coming ahead, and I feel that the mental clarity that needs, or some sort of truths that need to be spoken, or some sort of awakening that needs to happen in your twin flame connection will happen or is happening at the moment. So, what is the romance angels' message for you currently? Let's see, make the effort. Yes. I feel that you have already made the effort for your twin flame or divine masculine, divine feminines. I feel that it is more for the divine masculines to make an effort and not wait for the external situations to shift. They need to shift their energy within them, connect with spirit more. So the efforts that you, and also this is for you, for the efforts that you have made currently, or through the, take care or something on yourself, on your spiritual growth, on this partnership, the angels applaud your work and they say that the efforts you have made will lead to great love. Great love is worth taking the steps you are being guided to take. So notice the signs that are coming, because there is still some work that remains to be done. So, the twin flame partnerships are always evolving. There is always some work or the other that needs to be done, although it's not fun, but that is how the journey is. So, let us see after 1 month how your partnership, or 1 month or 2 months, how your twin flame partnership will be evolving ahead. So, let us see how the connection will evolve ahead after a month's time or 2 months' time. Yes, I feel for some of you, messages will be coming. A wish come true will happen in your twin flame partnership. I feel that the divine masculines who are currently really struggling with letting go, with surrendering, and with, allowing this connection to move in without controlling or control issues, that will happen. this ability to really surrender things and allow love to blossom will happen. The mental clarity, the passionate clarity, the mental clarity they need or you need is coming for both of you, and wishes will be coming true. If you are expecting a message from your twin flame, it's gonna come. If you are expecting a visit from your twin flame, it's gonna happen. More dreams, more messages, more connection in the spiritual world, more signs are coming for you, friends. A very, very fluid and romantic, phase will begin for the twin flames after a month or so, friends. So let us see how the heart energy will be for the twin flames after 1 month, for your twin flame partnership after a month. Yes, see, the connection is really progressing ahead from this energy. You are like, not just you, I feel you are ready. You are just waiting for your divine masculine to come and join you in this, in this journey of love. And I feel your divine masculine is gonna join you very, very soon, friends. So yes, from the energy of, this wrong and right, light and dark, you are gonna unify, and so is your twin gonna unify, and things are gonna progress. Really, there's a lot of movement happening. Hearts will reunite, messages will come, trips will be happening. You might be traveling abroad, or they are traveling towards you. What else is coming? Let's see. Yes, so yes, finally, I feel the divine masculine who was really struggling with crossroads and, to trust their heart or trust their mind, to trust the what people say or trust this relationship that they have with you. Those things will finally be over. There will be some issues left, but I feel they will start to honor and trust their intuition more and their heart. I feel the divine masculine has really struggled to honor their heart's voice. And some of the divine feminine may have also struggled to honor and trust the heart's or instinct voice, or the inner calling they have. Uh, but that will heal, that will heal, and you will finally reach some sort of clarity, and some sort of movement will be coming. If your twin flame is with a karmic, you can expect some movement there also. Lot is happening, great energy, communications, movement, travel, love, happiness, and a unification of the, of a unification is happening. It's like the arguments are healing after a 1 month time. You can expect that the efforts you made now will be healed. And you can expect more harmony and more friendship and love in your connection. How spiritually your partnership will be after 1 month. Absolutely, yes, yes, the King of Cups, the divine masculine has risen and reconnected with their heart. Congratulations to all the twin flames and the collectives and the unions. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. Ah, thank you, Spirit. The divine masculine has finally connected to their heart, and they have become this, King of Cups. They have become this totally. I feel divine masculine has taken a very, very, very long time to come to this place where they can be completely into their emotions and be happy. I feel they had been fighting currently these emotions. They want to burn these emotions they feel for you, but now after 1 month they will be completely at ease with the way they feel for you and how they feel for you and the love they have. They won't be fighting it anymore, friends. In fact, they'll be offering their cup of love for you. Amazing, amazing. Well done, everyone. Well done. And yes, so there will be a lot of passion also coming into your twin flame connection ahead. And I feel that you now finally have covered a lot, your twin and you have covered a lot of karmic issues. You have finally returned back from a cycle of, fears, internal doubts, internal issues. Now you have finally reached a place where there is unison and harmony, there is healing, there is joy, there is peace. That's absolutely great work, and I can't tell you this doesn't happen every day in the twin flame connection that you reach from this energy of, the devil. You reach this energy of the chariot where things are unified again. Amazing work done, and that's huge progress for 1 month to divine masculines and feminines and the collectives. So let us see how your overall union will be, partnership will be for the next month. Oh, yes, definitely. I feel that some of the, yes, see, the divine couple is here again. I feel that for some of you, there will be messages of love coming. You will be sending or connecting to your divine masculine, divine feminines will be getting messages of love. Proposals are coming, messages are coming, meetings will happen, dates will be planned, and a lot of mental and emotional clarity will be there. The divine masculine and feminine will give up on fighting this connection they have with you. Especially the divine masculine, they are tired of fighting this connection. They can no longer fight it. And even if you are a divine feminine trying to resist this connection, you will lay your swords down and you will not fight this connection anymore. But I feel that the divine twin flames, as a partner or as a partnership, you might face some external challenges, not from your twin flame or from yourself, but people around you might affect your partnership. So keep that in mind, ground yourself, protect your partnership, and if possible, try some Reiki or healing, and be aware of the karmics, friends, be aware of them. So, what else is the message from the romance angels for your twin flame connection or your love connection? Engagement, oh my god, can it get better than this, angels? Can it get better than this? Can you see this card? See. Beautiful. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Your love life is ascending. Yes, your twin flame connection is ascending. And we can see here, you see, from the Empress in the spiritual to the Four of Wands, and finally to this energy of the cup of King of Cups. You're definitely, spiritually, your twin flame connection is growing stronger and stronger. And yes, some sort of happy proposals, marriage also, dates or messages of love will be coming your way. If you had lost touch with your twin flame, they might come back and reunite or get in touch with you. If you haven't met your twin flame, rest assured they are coming into your life, friends. They are coming. So stay open to the messages and signs around you. Do not doubt the messages that you are getting. Love is coming your way, and not just love, it is ascension, and it is an ascended and higher form of love into your twin flame connection. Thank you so much, friends. If you enjoyed this reading, please do let me know in the comment section below. If it resonated with you, I would love to hear your comments. And please do not feel triggered by any issues. I feel this is a very, very happy pile. But still, if any of thing that happens, please remain in angels' peace and angels' love and light, friends. If you want to buy a personal reading, please check the links in the description box below. I do specialized twin flame readings and channeled messages, also twin flame reunion or union readings, twin flame love spells, and a lot of twin flame stuff, friends. So if you are interested in buying, please check the links in the description box below. And thank you for liking and subscribing, friends. Remain in love. This is Mystic C saying from Magic Wands Tarot saying bye bye.